Assalamu alaikum. And welcome to Ali and Sarah Islamic Kids channel.
Every prayer leaves a mark. Every heart leaves a story.
One, two, three.
Still counting scraps, orphan?
Leave me alone.
Or what?
That costs money.
Then ask your father for it. Oh, right. You can't.
This rug belonged to your grandfather.
Why is this corner different?
Because when things break, we repair them, not throw them away. A heart is the same.
I'm not weak!
Why do they always treat me like this?
How much for these?
2 copper coins.
I only have this.
Take them.
But this is not enough.
It's fine.
Your mother raised you well.
You knew her?
Everyone did.
Giving food away now?
Move!
Maybe I should take the rest too. Fight back.
Enough! Shame on both of you.
He started it.
And you finished it? Come with me. Drink. You are carrying fire inside you.
And so insults you become like him?
People think I'm weak.
Do you know who controls a horse?
The rider.
And if the horse throws him off?
Then he is not strong enough.
Anger is the same. Anyone can throw punches. A child can do that. That rug.
Where did you get it?
He repaired many things, especially people.
Look at strong Harith now! You dropped this.
Why are you helping me?
Because I'm tired of fighting.
Oh Allah, help me become strong the right way.
Some prayers change the world. Others change the heart.
For the date I threw away.